Well, hello. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out today. This is Dawn Johnson with United Real Estate, and I'm here chatting today with Chris MacMurray of TruLoan Mortgage. How you doing, Chris?
Hey Don, how's everybody doing out there in internet land?
I think we're doing well today. We're about a week out from Christmas, and I think today is the last day of Hanukkah as well.
It is, right?
Yeah,
Can't fight Santa. He's coming.
he's coming. Yep, we're right in the middle of everything. But we've got a lot of things going on with the mortgage range, and I would like to talk and give you a minute to talk about what's going on with that.
Yeah, so in the past few weeks, we've seen FHA, which is our government programs, and conventional loans increase buying power. So they've raised the loan limits, and that's fantastic news. They've seen massive year-over-year gains and income prices home prices go up. So they decided to open up the doors to raise the limits where people can have more buying power, more negotiating power to increase, their realm of finding a home. Last year it was 331,760, and they've raised it up to $25,000 this year to 362. So that's great for FHA. So that's your government program. So right now it's 356,362 for FHA, and for conventional it's been raised to 548,250. So that's a huge increase over last year, which we've seen consistent increases in loan limits in the past few years. The rates have been fantastic. So the government is really working hard, and our higher ups in Congress are trying to keep the housing market continuing to move forward, as it is a very big part of our GDP overall. So they want to make sure people can still get in homes and keep rates low.
Yeah, that's amazing. So I guess what you're saying is for a consumer, for someone who's out there looking to buy a property, you're stating that their buying power has basically increased with these loan increases?
Yeah. So they can go, whereas last year, the home that they were looking at maybe was right on that 331 mark or over, and, they don't have enough money to put down. And, now that the price has gone up for the loan limits, they can look at a larger house and still afford it, be able to put their 3.5% down. Now, let me retract on conventional. You can go up with the loan limits. You can put 3% down with conventional. So you can still do the home ready program with 3% down. So you can buy a house that's $548,250 and only put 3% down. So with the home ready program, you have much lower MI, mortgage insurance, which, FHA has a little bit higher upfront premium, and you pay a monthly mortgage insurance price for the life of the loan. Whereas conventional, you pay your 3% down, lower mortgage insurance, and it drops off once the loan reaches the 79.9% loan to value.
Wow, that is wonderful. So basically, to recap, we've got our government loans that have gone up in value of approximately, what was that price point again?
For the FHA has gone up 25,000 from last year. Last year it was 331,760. This year it's 356,362.
Okay, excellent. And then with
362.
The other loans, the amount increased from the 510 to
548,250.
548,250. Okay,
Yeah.
so that means you don't have to go into a jumbo loan unless you're borrowing more than
Correct.
548,250.
Okay. And this is all retro, so it's not supposed to take effect till 2021. But applications taken now, we can actually get into that loan limit, because by the time we reach closing, it'll be January.
Okay, so this affects buyers for right now, currently out there looking to get their pre-approval. But what does that have for the future? Because maybe somebody's like, well, I'm not buying now, it doesn't affect me. But in the future, how is that going to affect buyers?
In the future? I think it'll be fantastic, because once we have the loan limits, carrying over to the new year, you're going to see that buying power increase all across. So like the 2 and 4 units too, if you have investors, I don't know if I recapped on that as well. It's up to $1 million. So if you have any investors looking for 2 and 4 units, you can go up to $1 million. So again, overall, we're seeing a much higher loan limits on all programs.
That's amazing. Yeah. So basically, the buying power is increased all across the board. That's great.
Yes.
Excellent. Well, Chris, I thank you for your time today. Thanks for explaining that to us and giving us this tidbit of information that's really important.
Absolutely. Always here to help. Thank you.
Hey, thanks so much.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
All right. Bye.